Good afternoon everyone, and today I'm bringing you another Mercedes-Benz guide. This one today is about how you remove the feature that keeps asking you to sort of pay. I don't know if you guys have spotted this bit. Sometimes in a car, when you put your phone down in this area here, your card comes up and then it asks you to double tap to pay, for example. That's because the near field communication, which is used for contactless payment, that's probably been turned on, or it's putting through your information from there. This port does charge that. I don't know why. I think it's due to the wireless charging, but you can turn off the ability for it to charge money and pay using the settings in your car. So if you go to the home button that operates the center console system, and you go to system, and you go to connectivity, and you turn off NFC surface active. So it stands for near field communication. That's an NFC surface down in there. So if you turn that off, it will keep coming up with that thing about asking you to pay for your car with your card. So it's literally as simple as that. So I'm just going to turn that off. Give it a few seconds to load and it should work. There you go. So that's now turned off. And I don't get any more errors now. So I'm going to test it. My card didn't come up at all there. So that's how you fix that issue, guys. Hope you enjoy that, and I'll see you in the next video.